Start with a slip knot and chain 39, or else you can start off with any multiple of 3. One double crochet in the second chain from the hook, 1 and 2, this one, and one double crochet in each and every stitch. Once you reach the end, chain 1 and turn your work. Next on, one single crochet in the first stitch and 2 double crochets into the same stitch. And one more double crochet into the same stitch. That's total 3 stitches in the first stitch. Skip the next 2 stitches and into the next stitch repeat the same. One single crochet and 2 double crochets into the same stitch. Skip 2 and in the next stitch repeat the set of stitches. One single crochet and 2 double crochets. Now repeat this in rest of the stitches. Skip 2 into the next stitch, one single crochet, 2 double crochets. Skip 2, repeat the set of stitches. At the end you will have 3 stitches left. Skip the next 2 stitches and in the last stitch make one single crochet. Now make the turning chain. Chain 2, insert hook into the second chain from the hook, that is the first chain which you made, and pull up a loop. Turn your work, insert hook into the first stitch and pull up a loop. Pull through 2 and pull through the last 2. There's a turning chain made and one double crochet made. With this method you'll have straight edges. Next on, one double crochet is already made with the turning chain. Now make one double crochet into each and every stitch. This is the next stitch. This is the next double crochet. And this is the single crochet. Continue with one double crochet into each and every stitch. This is the last stitch. Once you reach the end, chain 1 and turn your work. At the end of this round you should have 37 stitches. Now just keep repeating the last 2 rounds until you reach the size which you need. One round of this pattern and one round of one double crochet into each stitch. Next round will be the pattern round. Start with one single crochet in the first stitch and 2 double crochets into the same stitch. Skip 2. Repeat the set of stitches in the next stitch. This is how the pattern will look. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.